Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to read data from multiple CSV files in Python. So let's get started. First, I'm going to import two libraries, the operating system library, or in short OS, and the pandas data structure library. So the OS library will help me to interact with my files in my PC, and the pandas also will help me to interact with the data frame or to create the data frame in short. Now the next step is to define a variable, a placeholder for my file path. Okay, and I'm going to copy and paste my path file here. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. It says here it can't decode bytes in position truncated. Okay, probably this backslash problem. So I'm going to try it by changing this backslash to forward slash. Okay. Now the next step is to define empty list. Now the next step is to iterate through all these files using the for loop command. Okay. So I forgot this forward slash to put at the end of my folder. Here I use a couple of methods. Firstly, the list dir method returns all the list of the names in my directory, and the ends with method also will only fetch the CSV files within my folder, and the read CSV panda structure will read the CSV file within the directory, right? And this will iterate, the file will iterate through the my directory. Now everything is okay. I can retrieve data from my data frame. So I use data, and if I call the first 10 rows of my data, now we saw how to easily read multiple CSV files in your folder using the simple for loop command. Thank you for watching.